Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. We got the legendary sport bikians out here acting a bona fide fool. They got the throttle all the way down. Wrist twist time. Can the boys in blue calm these wild crazy jixers down? Or will the jixers take that throttle hand, pour gasoline on it, and shove it down the devil's throat and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have our reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Street biking style. Is that him right there? He look a little wobbly. Oh, he's out of here. Yabba dabba doo. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here comes my wrist devil. I hope you're ready. Oh, he moving. They say he on a GSXR, y'all. Man, he hawked the GSXR down like it was nothing. Is it screaming? It just, oh, it's got, oh, I seen fire come from that bad boy. It's shooting flames. Does he got a cape on? Oh, I'm tripping. I thought it was Batman on that bike. Man, he took off on him. No speed limit posted, y'all. Don't get mad at me. Shout out to State Boys. I love you, State Boys. Keep doing what y'all doing. Go support their channel, y'all. He looking a little wobbly, though, ain't he? Man, look at the acceleration, though. No time. 0 to 60 in 1.2 seconds. But he's still getting hawked down. He don't know what he's doing. Seems like he's missing gears. It's screaming, though. Sound great. Man, he moving. He running from the truth like Stephen A. Smith. You ain't really no Knicks fan. You're not a Knicks fan. You're a liar, allegedly. See, he ain't taking those turns like a pro. That's telling me everything I need to know. No lean. He has no lean. Stop looking back and just go. Yeah, he tripping. It looked like he might be a little thick, a little chubby bubby. Pull over, fat boy. We just wanna talk. We got snacks in the interrogation room. Just tell us where the gang is. He might be too big. He might be too big for that bike. Why is he putting his foot down? He tripping. All right, you want to break that leg if you want to. Yeah, he ain't no pro. Look how slow he taking those curves, y'all. We got ourselves a rookie. We got ourselves a garbage rider. Man, I'd be too scared a deer was gonna cop out. You know them deers be like, they run straight to the light. Francisco said, give me the throttle. Give me the throttle, because you don't know what you're doing. Let me take control, baby. Francisco got control. Let's see what he can do. Okay. Uh-oh, Francisco got it. It's backfiring like a mug. Y'all see the flames coming out of it? Yeah, he too big for this bike. He ain't even leaning over, man. Let the fairings work for you. How is he not outrunning his cop on that bike? He's scared of the bike. Gotta be. No lean. He's supposed to be leaning all the way over. His knee supposed to be kissing that concrete. He putting his feet down? Nah, he don't know what he's doing. Sport bikians. Does he know what he's doing? Werewolf Pack. Is he a rookie? He keep putting his foot down. See how he ain't leaning on the curves, man? He seems like a rookie to me, man. What y'all think? He just ain't leaning with it, man. Lean with it, rock with it. Remember that song? Everybody had on the 5XTs coming down to their knees. Everybody was wearing 36 jeans when you were supposed to be wearing 28-32. Look at him putting his foot down. That's not gonna help you, bro. Just turn. Look at that acceleration. See? Why can't he maintain that though? Why can't he maintain the acceleration? I feel like he's scared of the bike. I just don't feel like the super extreme cop car should be keeping up with him. See, this is where you're supposed to get away. Right here is where he's supposed to get away, man. But yet again, that cop may have a scat. He might be in a scat, a confiscated scat. Man, that motherfucker backfiring like a monk. Man, maybe you need a tune-up. He might need a tune-up on that bike. Probably ain't changed the oil in 3 years. Man, he should be able to get away, man. Even a little 600 can get away from the police. And I know that's bigger than a 600. Man, he tripping. He could be dipping off on one of them little country roads. Cop can't keep up with him. He can shoot up before our head and then turn around and be coming back the other way. I wouldn't advise it in Arkansas because they probably run you head on. Don't play chicken with the Arkansas police because they gonna fully commit. He want to put that foot down every time, don't he? He indecisive like your baby mama. She keep going back to the other guy, coming back to you, and you keep taking her back, dummy. You let her go play in the streets and come back to you. You love street meat. You're nasty. Oh, he popped a wheelie. That bike, man, come on, bro. This, he might be playing with the police though. He might think he the last one, the last dragon. You better quit playing with these cops, man. They don't play. If he get close enough to you, he gonna put you down. Oh, he lost it. That's a nice bike. Did he get him? Oh, they lost him again? Okay. Now look how far ahead of him that he is. Now if he get caught, he garbage. He garbage.
Stay around 36. All right, back eastbound on 36 towards Thompson.
This is a good chase though. He lasted way longer than I thought he would. Man, look how far ahead of him. If he don't get away, man, a Hellcat would have been gone. And I know this bike is just as fast as a cat. Way up there. Come on, Zero Dark 30. Open up the portal. I'm on my way. Man, this cop might have something crazy now. Hold on. He hawking it. Man, what? Oh, they got cops all in front of him, man. They trying to put a roadblock. Spike stripping. Nuh-uh. Not today, copper. Eat my butt dust. He putting up a valiant fight. Big boy putting up a valiant fight. He might be holding the bike down because he might be 400 plus. And they got the whole county on him, don't they? Now, if he hits spike strips at that speed, he gonna be a stain on the highway. Man, another cop is down there. They own him. They're trying to spike him, y'all. I don't see no spike strips though. Bike screaming to get his thick ass off of it. Get off me, fat boy, you put me down. Motor about to overheat. Pull over, Bruce Wayne. We just want to talk. Tell us about the bat suit. We know about the bat suit. Tell us about it. Say, we know who you are, Gotham Knight. This guy might be drunk. Why he keep releasing the throttle, man? Hold it down. Wrist twist from hell.
Right on Thomas Street. Come on, let's take out 3.
Bro, put the foot up, man. You good. You got sneakers on. You shouldn't be having your foot down. You got tennis shoes on. I said tennis shoes like my granny. How old are you, T-Light? It was my granny. Said, you want some new tennis shoes? Hawked him down again. Officer Jones is a monster. This is in Georgia, y'all. We in Georgia. You know they don't play in Georgia either. They'll put you down. They'll call the Black Hawk unit to make you disappear. They'll put you on the newspaper. Man, that bike is backfiring like a mug. Look at all them backfires. Shooting flames. See them flames it's shooting? Flame. That thing shooting flames. Flame on. Yo, now flame. Dalzim.
Right on Indian Trail.
Oh, he about to try to get him. Look at the cop. He ain't playing with him. You got to turn, bro. The only chance. Where'd he go? Come another cop right here. Oh, damn. They not playing, is they? 2 chunky cops. 3. A bowl of lard. He definitely ain't get. Look, he got 3 thick ones on him. He ain't getting up. He ain't going nowhere. Hold on, bro. What you doing, man? Get off me, cuz. It take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It take 5. It take 5. 6. For one guy? Look at him. How many is that? 1, 2, 3. That's 7 cops out there. Yeah, that's 7. Maybe 8. A little bit of overkill, don't you think? Look at him. He looking for a donut on the ground. Ain't no donuts on the ground, officer. Where's that donut I dropped? I dropped the Sprinkles. Sprinkles donut. Where's it at? I don't know why he gave up like that. I would have got footy on him. I'd have got footy on him real quick, real slick like. Meet me in the comments. I don't know, man. Maybe he was a rookie. He seemed like he knew what he doing. Sometimes it seemed like he knew what he's doing, but most times it seemed like he didn't. Maybe the bike wasn't tuned right. Maybe it's having problems, because I feel like he should have been able to get away easily on that bike. That's not no average bike. That's like a GSXR. That ain't no toy. He got away though. That's a real bike. Right here, he tricked him. He clearly pulled a maneuver that was legendary. Got major separation. Best separation he could have got all night. Look at the separation he got. Look how far he is up there. Ain't no way they should have caught him. Diabolical, if I ever seen. But with that being said, big shout out to State Boys. Big shout out to the person that was on the bike. He was a he was an okay rider. He just didn't trust the bike. You could tell he didn't trust the bike. Maybe he was scared a deer was going to pop out in front of him. I don't know. I believe he should have got away. I think he easily could have got away. Maybe the bike was having problems. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. But like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button. And don't forget to put a couple of those notification points in my cup. Drop them in the cup, baby. Drop them in the Avengers cup. And we will avenge anybody that's trying to hate on the werewolf pack. We'll be out there gonna get them. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And if you're a werewolf pack member and you don't like this video, diabolical. And in case y'all didn't know, we're champions again. We took the Jeep to the car show and we took first place. As you can see right there, that's first place right there. We took first place off-road vehicle. Yes, we took it. Street Jeeps was out there. But listen, they didn't have a lot of street Jeeps, but we was the only street Jeep out there, and we took it. Yes, we beat the off-roaders. With that being said, we're going to slide up out of here. I'm going to leave y'all with some positivity. If you work hard, you should achieve some things. That's not no guess. That's not no fair assumption. That's the truth. If you work hard, you should achieve something. I never saw one person that worked hard that didn't achieve something. Even if it's just being able to take care of your family, even if you got to settle for less so they can have the best. I know what it's like. I've seen a mother settle for less. My mother settled for less so we can have. She was a single mom, so I know what it's like to watch somebody put their all in just so their kids could have a better life. Work hard. You'll get something out of life. You may not get riches. You may not have the fastest car, the biggest house, the most money in the bank. Long as you happy, long as you feel satisfied, you feel fulfilled, that's the only thing that matters. And with that being said, stay blessed up, stay safe. We don't condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But we will watch you do it. We will watch you make a fool of yourself. We will. But if you are going to run, if you are going to be a runner, a sport biking, listen here and listen good. Can you please stop being afraid of the bike?